Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a quick presentation of a THULE bike rack which is fitted to our Volkswagen T5 with a barn doors at the back. Basically it's a second-hand bike rack. We got it off a Gumtree. It was really cheap. It's of a Volkswagen Sharan. It allows to take our bike with us wherever we go. I don't have to tell you how cool and useful it is to have a bike with you when you travel. At the beginning I'm gonna show you how to mount it. It's really simple. There are two hooks at the top. And there are two at the bottom. You just hook them over. And then you just need the 13mm spanner to tighten it. Really solid, safe and secure. You can transport up to 3 bikes on it. In our case we only need 2 bikes, therefore we only have 2 rails. Even when the rack is mounted, you can still freely open and close the door. However, you must be careful with this to make sure when closing or opening you won't hurt yourself. Now I'll show you how to put the bikes on a rack. Those holders are to hold the frame. You can lock it. And there are straps for each wheel. And it's done. You can also open the door when the bikes are on the rack. As you can see, we don't put any dust or rain cover, mainly because of the visibility from inside the van. As you can see, even with the bikes on a rack, you can still see in a rear view mirror what is behind the van. The rack is not obstructing the tail lights or the number plate, which is really important. As you can see, they are clearly visible. Now I'm gonna show you how to take the bikes off. Undo the straps. unlock the holder. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to leave the thumb up and subscribe. Also guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And see you in the next video.